Welcome to Section 7, Monitoring and Logging. In this video, we will get an overview of monitoring and logging. Monitoring is a way of collecting and analyzing data about a subject. Monitoring and logging are huge and important topics, but they are often overlooked until something goes wrong. Monitoring deserves a lot more attention than it gets. One of the most challenging things for operations is getting cross-infrastructure visibility in order to detect, deter, and prevent issues. One area may have substantial monitoring while other areas not enough, or any. It's tough to implement the monitoring needed when the segmented infrastructure teams lack collaboration. Each should define a list of objectives in order to develop a strategy. What are the types of monitoring? Every remotely important aspect of the application and infrastructure should have monitoring. For VMs, this could be CPU, memory, or disk space. For networking, this could be bandwidth, traffic, routing, and latency. For applications, this could be response time for a call, resource usage, etc. How often should monitoring take place? It depends on the application or infrastructure. Some, such as application monitoring, should be near real-time. Other monitoring can be done periodically. This helps to establish trends. This can be in intervals of seconds, minutes, hours, or even days. Monitoring should be conducted at every phase and every stage of the target. What exactly should be monitored for the types? The activity monitoring should include what activity is being monitored, if it was successful, and if it was completed in a reasonable amount of time. The output of a target, if any, should be analyzed for correctness. The outcome is what resulted from the action and input. Whether success or failure, what effect did this have?